It's Thursday, December 11th. Let's see what problems we giving advice to for tech support. The secure boot messed up mobile. No, you messed up your mobile. Let me see. I have a Gigabyte B50. Who cares? The thing is, I accidentally. Okay, you didn't accidentally. No, you press some buttons. Restore the PK keys and secure boot section. Okay, that's all. It's all random shit. When I was turning it on for Call of Duty. Call of Duty, PK key. My PC restarted and the black screen occurred. It fails to boot. I tried clearing CMS, to, took out the battery, waited, but no luck. My wall has a Q flash plus button, which I have not used yet. So looking for suggestions what to do. Is my mobile bricked? And if yes, it was not due to any BIOS flashing or power surge, just altering of some BIOS settings. What to do? Come on. Well, first of all, if it still boots to BIOS, just go back to default. Leave it boot. And usually, if it doesn't boot and you went to default, there's an option in there. What is it? The UEFI? Yeah, U, U, UEFI? Yeah, there you go. You change that, and then usually Windows will boot up. So why don't you just do that? Okay. Should I just tell him? Should I? Should I? Should I? Alright. Go back to default in BIOS. If you can still go in it. And make sure UEFI option is enabled if it doesn't boot up. Maybe. Hope that helps. Alright, we comment. Next. Alright, let's go back. Alright, let me see. Let's do this. PC won't boot in dual channel. Dual. Alright. Hello, my PC won't boot indoor channel. Specifically channel B. Well, I have done so far is bought a new motherboard, bought a new power supply, bought a CPU cooler, bought a new life. Oh, never mind. And bought a new GPU. No, I'm not reused the same power supply cords, and I also bought a new CPU. What? And bought a new CPU. I even bought a new RAM, but I confirmed that the old RAM works indoor channel on another computer. So I'm sending the other one back. I understand. Should I take out the motherboard and see if there's a circuit issue with the case and the spacers? What? I don't know. So what? Won't boot in the. I think he means like you know how when you my brain hurts. You know how when you install RAM and it's like A and B, you know, A1, B1, and B2, B1, B2. You know, it, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. I think that's what it means, but I don't know. Are you using the same RAM? I ain't getting on this one, but that's what I would check. Make sure that the RAM is correct? And what is he talking about? Taking out? Yeah, it's a big old mess. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. Don't. Nope. Nope. I ain't dealing with back and forth. No. Do some more troubleshooting, okay? Do some more troubleshooting, okay? VPN blocking. What the fuck? What? All that porn you're watching. All right. My VPN disconnects and reconnects. Is there any way to know if my ISP or government or no blocking the VPN connection? No, the government is not blocking your shit. You're not important. You're not the fucking president, okay? I believe momentarily blocking the VPN causes the tunnel to disconnect. The tunnel to your life? Okay. After that, the VPN demon reconnects. Maybe this way the government can figure out some information or completely hack the VPN encryption, revealing all the site that I'm. He really thinks he's the main person in this world, like the government wants to get him. No, no. So I don't know what's blocking. Who's blocking what? What website are you trying to go to? What? Give more information. What are you trying to do? Your VPN disconnects and reconnects. I don't know. To me, it seems like your router is shitting on itself and keeps going in and out, and you're not noticing that the internet is going down. That's what I was saying. But overall, nope, you're a sad case. Sad case. All right, next one. Help with iPad. Help with the iPad. All right, let me see. I am not sure what generation iPad it is. Well, good for you, because that information is important when you're asking for help. But it got stuck on a boot loop and won't update or restore. Every time I try and update restore it with my Mac, it extracts the data, but then disappears from Finder until I unplug and plug it back in. It's my little iPad, little sister's iPad, so I know. Yeah, exactly. No clue. You have no clue if she did anything to it, but I figure I'll try and fix it. Is it cooked? Your brain is cooked. And you not knowing what kind of iPad? Like, yeah, give us something. But this person being nice, said, okay, this is an issue sometimes. The iPad will attempt to restart during the phase that iTunes is downloading the software. If this happens, just wait for the download to finish, then put the iPad back into recovery mode again without closing iTunes. They run the update again after you plug the iPad back in after 10 seconds. That's the only thing you can say, because honestly, you didn't. What was the problem? Why did y'all have to restore it? Like, I think you're cooked. No. All right. The BT. I have a BT Advanced Phone Z cordless handset phone. That was a lot. Just I have a BT Advanced phone. We know it's cordless. Unless there's cords still. Okay. Today, while I was charging on this cradle, there was a battery symbol on the screen that would not go away. I took the batteries out and then put them in again. All fine. Then I noticed the charging cradle, which just had a few buttons on it. One of which is a red lit up play button for answering phone messages. No longer was lighting up. What could be wrong? And how do I access my voicemail messages? What could go? What could? What? Oh fuck me. If your charging cradle is no longer lining up, I don't know. Do you need a clue? Like a raging clue? I don't know. What do you need? If it's not lining up, it ain't worky. No worky. Check the charging cable. Check to see what's going on. Are we serious? Did we do that? That's what I hate about this. It's like even if you put in here, hey, did you try another charging cable? Oh yeah, I did that. And then it sounds like they're giving an attitude. Like if you tell us, if you tell us, we won't. No, okay, no. Screw this. That was my advice. Check charging cable. See if it's working. But honestly, the clue is if it doesn't turn on, that means something's going on. The charging cable. And if you change it to another different charging cable and it's not working, that means the device is cooked. It's cooked. Like the kids say. It's cooked. How the fuck do they say that? Honestly. Just messed up, okay? You gotta make up words to make you sound so much dumber. All right. Infected. Oh shit. Walking Dead. Hard drive. Infected hard drive swap with clean hard drive. A few years ago, one of my family members' computer was infected with a Trojan. Goddamn. Should have used a different brand. Imagine that Trojan was a red line stealer. Oh shit. Stealing some hearts. Since then, that computer has not been used at all. I was thinking about getting rid of the infected drive and popping in a fresh, clean hard drive. I think, okay, I think that's what he meant. It just seems like a waste of a computer if I just dump it. Yeah, if it's just a hard drive. I will imagine this is a safe approach and I won't have any problems in the future unless there's some sort of BIOS UEFI. See, the UEFI infection. Anyone have any thoughts? All right, so I guess this red line stealer is a real bad Trojan. So he wants to throw it away. Well, doesn't want to throw it away. But then the hard drive has a Trojan. And if you can't fix it, just change the drive. Like seriously, like this person says, there are very few and rare malware that can write themselves into firmware. You could be extra careful by first doing a CMOS clear after removing the infected drive. Like literally, it honestly, it'll be very rare. And if you did get it, go buy a lottery ticket. So if you want to keep the computer, put a new hard drive. You're fine. If you don't want to use the old one, that's fine. Dump the old drive. You're never gonna get the data. Just let it go. Like your ex. Okay, bye. Alright, next. Let's see. Do one more. Because my head's starting to hurt. What all this bullshit. Okay. Phone is laggy. Yesterday, my phone was dead for a good 8 hours. I was at school, so it didn't matter. But once I charge it, it now has a decent input delay, which is really just an inconvenience for playing games. It's an inconvenience. Oh shit. I have a Samsung 22. It's not bad. I'm pretty sure, and I'm pretty sure that phone's never been off. That phone's been on since you bought it. And then when it finally died and everything's loading back, you think it's an inconvenience because everything is loading. I'm pretty sure you're trying to open every app, every game, everything on that phone, so make sure it's open. Go ahead and delete some stuff. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't. Trust me, I wouldn't be surprised. Like, trust me. I wouldn't be surprised if they got so many damn apps and they barely have any memory to save any memory or to do anything. I bet when they get a call, it lags. Everything lags. Your life lags. Okay. Yeah, okay. Um, can I scan he my red? Can I scan delete this my Reddit name? This is tech support. Nobody gives a fuck about your name. Okay. Okay. No. No. Like, I guess is it? Is it tech support? Is it? Oh my god. Okay, I said one more. One more. GPU crash at certain websites. Kind of website. Hi there, would love some help. As I'm not very tech savvy, I'm having a really aggravating issue. Alright, I'm sorry, buddy. Let's see if we can help you get you those key sites. I am a streamer and I experienced a crash yesterday. Hey, just keep streaming. It's okay if nobody watches you. It's okay. You don't have to crash out for it. After some sleuthing, I found that there was 2 errors from looking at the window event log. Oh, I thought it meant there was 2 errors from looking at outside like his window. Okay. Both have an event ID 153, with the source being Nvidia. Alright, so it's some type of Nvidia driver. I learned this is a GPU driver error sort of thing. See, that's good. He's researching. Gave us some more info. I then looked and saw that I didn't have the latest version of Nvidia drivers, so I updated them. My current version for my 4080 Super is blah blah. Okay. I assumed that it was one off and that it will fix it, but this morning I noticed that several regular websites I visit are having strange display issues. Backlog.com, Reddit, and Viz. All relatively low websites are all giving me issues. Not fully loading, amidst being low quality, just constant lagging and loading wheels. Sites like YouTube and Twitch seem to be working fine. Very. Any ideas or troubleshooting would be super welcome. This is a very frustrating issue that will definitely screw with work. So first thing it says update motherboard BIOS. Maybe. Maybe. But why go the hard thing? My motto is always like check the software, right? On a computer, check the software. If it's just website that's crashing, did you clear the cache on your website? Like, right? Am I wrong? Just clear it first and see if it's still doing that. Shit. I would download another browser and see if that browser's having the same issue. Because if that one's not having the same issue, then something's going on with the other browser. It's that simple. That's it. And if that doesn't fix it, okay, you start going into let's update more stuff, you know? Because updating the BIOS, what is that going to do? The whole computer's not lagging, just websites. Ah, man, why? Why? Okay, that was it. That was it for today. Just a couple. Tomorrow I'll come back and see who else I can help with tech issues. And if you have any tech issues, let me know. I'll help you. Okay? Well, just remember, I am paralyzed, so I got a lot of time. A lot of time. Like, a lot of time. So just let me know in the comments. I'll help you. I'll figure it out. I'll give you some advice. Okay? All right. Talk to that.